Hi, I'm David. A while back, I was trying to find the right railings for my home, and it got me thinking, do you go to a store or do you prefer shopping online? Personally, I found shopping in stores to be a bit of a hassle. You have to visit multiple places, compare designs, and spend a lot of time figuring things out. Once I decided to go online, the next question was, which brand should I go for? That's when I came across Muzata. I checked their rating on Trustpilot, and it scored very high at 4.7 stars. So I thought, okay, maybe this is worth looking into. Trustpilot is a trusted platform where a lot of people go before buying something. I've noticed that most of the feedback people mention is positive. Good product quality, super helpful customer service, responsive when they need support. I also checked out the gallery on their website where they show real projects they've done. The designs were really nice, modern, sleek. Eventually, I decided to go ahead and buy from Muzata. And honestly, the whole experience really lived up to what I saw on Trustpilot. If you're planning a renovation or thinking about adding railings to your home, I definitely recommend checking out Muzata. It saved me time, effort, and stress, and the results speak for themselves. Muzata made my project so much easier. Take a look at their website or follow them on social media. You'll find plenty of inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you next time.